गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल के प्लांट पिगमेंट का डाइडेजीन दैट इज़ द 4-7 डाइहाइड्रोक्सी आइसोफ्लेवन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। डाइडेजीन इज ए आइसोफ्लेवन पिगमेंट. Daidazine present in the number of the plants and herbs like the Thaya, Kuva, Kura or Purineria myrifisa. Food sources such as the soya beans and the soya product like the tofu and textured vegetables protein. Daidazines occur free, that is as a glycone and as a glycosides. Example, daidazine is the 7O glucosides, didazine, and the purine in the 8C glycosides of didazine. Next. Now the constitution of the didazine. The molecular formula of the didazines is found on the basis of the analytical data is C15H10O4. Now the molecular mass or the molecular weight of the molecular mass of the didazine is a 254.23 gram per mole. Next, the presence of the 2OH group. It contains the 2OH group as indicated by the acylation. Next, degradation. When hydrolyzed with the ethanolic potassium hydroxide, it produces 2-hydroxy benzyl ketone second and the formic acid. So we obtained the C15H10O4 on potassium hydroxide. It gives the 2,4-dihydroxy phenyl parahydroxy phenyl ketone and methyl alcohol. Next, the ketone second further degraded on fusion with KOH to desorcinol and parahydroxyphenyl acetic acid third. So the structure second, that is the ketonic compound on hydrolysis give the desorcinol and the parahydroxyphenyl acetic acid third. Thus, the formation of the formic acid in step 1 indicate it to be isoflavone, and formation of the resorcinol and the parahydroxyphenyl acetic acid in step 2 elucidate the structure of as below. As follows. Structure 1, that is the above proposed structure has been confirmed by the color reactions of this compound and the spectral data. Next, now the color reactions. Ferric chloride नेगेटिव सोडियम कार्बोनेट के साथ में येलो कलर देता है, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्लोराइड के साथ में ऑरेंज कलर देता है एंड जिंक HCl के साथ ऑरेंज रेड देते हैं. नेक्स्ट, स्पेक्ट्रल डेटा. UV spectra of the didazine in the ethanolic solution, it gives the lambda maxima 250 nanometer, and the IR spectra in the KBr is the 32 centimeter inverse having the broad band 1613, 1610 and 1595 indicate the presence of the conjugated bond present in the molecule. Now the proton NMR spectra give the doublet at the 6.84, 8.54, it indicates the C3- hydrogen atom. Next, 6.86 doublet, 2.18 C8 proton, 6.93 doublet, 8.83 2.19 C6 proton at 7.35 doublet, 8.53 doublet, and so on. Next, finally the structure of didazione uh, with Weasley and its co-worker in 1933 synthesized the didazione from the 2,4-dihydroxyphenyl para-hydroxybenzyl ketone. Now this compound react with the sodium and in presence of acid we obtain the didazione. Next, Baker-Ollis synthesis. It is from the benzyl orthohydroxyphenyl ketone react with the chloroethyl acetate in presence of pyridine. We obtained the structures which on hydrolysis and acid catalyzed reaction, and we obtained then heat and removal of the carbon dioxide, we obtained the didazines. Thank you.